Everybody, it's David Cinelli with my lovely wife, Natalie Bailey Cinelli. This is Stager's Corner. All right, Nat, when somebody hires a stager, what are they actually paying for?
That's a good question. Sometimes people think that they're just paying for a couple pillows and a couple rugs. But what you're actually paying for is somebody to come in and give you the perfect layout for your home. So when people walk in, there's no questions, there's no uncertainty about how you should live in the home. You're obviously, yes, you're paying for all the furniture rental, but you're also paying for somebody to expertly style it. You're paying for all the decor, all the artwork, delivery, assembly of everything. Beds are a big one, and also the removal. So there's a lot loaded into it, plus our expertise in what pieces should actually go in the home, as well as what should stay, what should go, if it's not a vacant stage.
Yeah, and then it's not always, and I've said this before, it's not always taking all of your furniture out of the house and putting it brand new, and that's what staging is. Sometimes it's using the pieces that you have, like you said, and making it look a little bit different and function a little bit better. Good tip. Have a wonderful day.